If you've been following along, you know there are tons of publication types that we can create and templates that are built into Publisher to help us get started. Right here from the Getting Started screen, you just look at the publication types down the left-hand side here to see that there are quite a number of categories. And within a category such as business card, we've got other categories like newer designs. And then a little further down, we've got classic designs. Lots of them to choose from, all the way down to some blanks at the bottom. And don't forget, also at the very top, we can access Microsoft Office Online to view even more templates. So odds are you're going to find one that's close to what you want. But here's the good news. You can edit the design of the one that's close to what you want, make it perfect, and then save that design as your own template. And that's what we're going to do here. So let's use the business card scenario. Let's say we come down, we see, okay, there's one that we like, Photoscope. It's very close to what we'd like to do. So we click Create as if we were going to create a business card publication. And now we're going to make some changes to this design. Notice it's using our business information that we entered earlier. There's the name of our company, my name, my title. There's my logo. Let's make some changes to the design now. So that doesn't mean color schemes or font schemes, that kind of stuff. I'm talking about the layout. For example, this text box here, I want to move it over to the left a little bit. And this logo needs to be bigger, so the placeholder needs to be grown to a larger size here. And I'm going to drag those handles to make it bigger. Perfect, just like that. This little picture here, it's got to go. So I click on it, hit delete on my keyboard, and that's the design I want right there. So I don't save this as a publication. I save it as a template so I can use it over and over. So I go up to the File menu and come down to Save As. And instead of saving it as a publication or a publisher file, I click the Save As Type drop down here and select Publisher Template. Now watch what happens. As soon as I do that, it goes to the right folder where templates should be stored. I'm going to change the name to something that's going to be easy to recall, like BizCard 1A. And I'm going to click Save. And when I do that, I've now saved a brand new template. So I'm going to close this up. I'm done with it. We'll go up to File and then Close. And then let's say we want to create a new publication. We would go up to File and click New. Takes us to Getting Started here. But we want to create a business card and we don't see the design we want. This is close to the one we want, but remember, we created our own design. So that's going to be found now under My Templates. And when you click My Templates, look at that, there's BizCard 1A. And when I click on it, or it's already selected if it's the only one, I just have to come down to create my brand new business card with this new design. So I'm going to just zoom back a little bit so you can see the full card. There's my design, just the way I created it in my templates. So keep that in mind. Although you've got tons of designs to choose from and all kinds of templates, you can create your own. Customize it exactly the way you want it, then reuse it over and over again by accessing My Templates.